Hi, I'm Dejan from DH Carpentry. 7 years now and running the business for 4 years. Yeah, I seen my mates, my best mate was a carpenter. What you start from to what the outcome is, it's just unreal. I was a welder by trade. Yeah, we do both. Just a lot of carpenters don't. We do gates, bits and pieces, so yeah. Decking, same thing, just from where it starts to where it finishes. It just, yeah, looks unreal. Just stick to a licensed carpenter, that's it. Ooh, PAS load, definitely PAS load. Same as the apprentice, you get to shoot stuff. I'm going to say Makita, even though I've got a heap of DeWalt. The new Makita brand's unreal. It looks cool. It looks pretty. It's green, fresh, clean. They are definitely a better tool. I am. I have a wife and 3 children. Ooh, golf. Yeah, golf, and we've got the caravan, so same thing, getting away with the family, and we just got it. So we've done Ballarat. We're planning a trip. We're doing South Australia for gather round football. Yeah. St Kilda, the mighty Saints. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. 150? No. Maybe 85, 90? No, very close, but no. Driver, 270. Definitely top 6. Yeah, definitely. Buy's definitely gone. Nasai Wanganeen Malira. I'm a legend. I'm a legend.